The Chewy Freebook N100 is an interesting device that caters to those seeking versatility and portability in a budget-friendly package. Design and build quality. The Freebook features a sleek, convertible design that allows it to function as both a laptop and a tablet. The hinge mechanism is smooth, enabling a full 360-degree rotation, which is great for presentations or media consumption. The build quality is decent for its price range, with a mix of plastic and metal that feels sturdy, though it may not match the premium feel of higher-end devices. Display. The device sports a 11.6-inch Full HD, 1920 by 1080 IPS display. Colors are vibrant and viewing angles are good, making it suitable for streaming videos and casual browsing. However, under bright sunlight, the screen can be difficult to see due to reflectiveness. Touch responsiveness is generally smooth, enhancing the tablet experience. Performance. Powered by the Intel N100 processor, the Freebook handles basic tasks like web browsing, word processing, and streaming without significant lag. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and options for storage that can include eMMC or SSD configurations. While it's not designed for heavy gaming or intensive applications, it performs well for everyday use and light multitasking. Battery life. The battery life is a strong point, offering around 6 to 8 hours depending on usage. This makes it a good option for students or professionals on the go who need a device that can last through the day without frequent recharging. Connectivity. It includes essential ports such as USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and a headphone jack, which enhances its versatility. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity is stable, allowing for easy connection to peripherals and networks. The Chewy Freebook N100 is a solid choice for users seeking a budget convertible laptop that offers good performance for basic tasks. While it may not excel in high-demand scenarios, its design, display quality, and battery life make it an appealing option for students, casual users, or anyone looking for an affordable two-in-one device. Thank you.